Hi, welcome to BlindOwl Outdoors. We hope you enjoy our channel, and if possible, could you please join our Patreon page? We really need your help. It's been a long, hard road. Thank you.
This is the only lumber yard in the whole island that I know of on this side. This place here actually has a bandsaw. The whitewood Gimelina, the redwood's mahogany. No fence or anything, everything's just by eye. Big giant bandsaw though. I bought wood here before. Nice piece of the wood there. He does have a little guide on the left side. Wonder what they do with all their sawdust. See, they got a big piles back here. What do you do with all your sawdust? Yeah, what do you do with that?
Tambak? Bono.
So, I mean, what do you do? Do you put it in a garden or sell it or what?
Okay.
What do you do? What do you use it for though?
Garden or plain area.
Oh, like around plants and stuff like that. Okay. How much do you sell it for? 20 per sack, huh? Okay. Yeah, I have a garden. If I put that down, all the chickens will go scratch all over. I don't want that.
Thanks for watching. Take care.